Hello, dear Vivekians. How are you all? I am sure you all are very well at your places and enjoying your family time. But studies are equally important. I hope you all are doing the given work on time. Obviously, you must be doing because you are the Vivekians and Vivekians are always on the top. This is your Ruchi ma'am in charge of grade 3 and I graciously welcome you all in today's English class. My dear children, in your previous session you studied about collective nouns. I hope that concept was clear to you all. But still, let's have a quick recap. Collective nouns are the names of groups or collection of people, animals or things of the same kind. Collective nouns, people, animals और things जो कि सेम काइंड के हों, एक तरह के हों, उनके ग्रुप्स और कलेक्शन के लिए जो नाउन्स यूज़ होते हैं उन्हें हम कलेक्टिव नाउन्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ लिटर ऑफ पपीज, अ फ्लॉक ऑफ birds, a class of students, and so on. Now today we will study a new topic, articles. So the objective of today's class is to know when and how to use the indefinite articles a and an. Everybody open your book at page number 31 and put today's date. Building blocks, articles. Read the passage carefully. Rajat was on his way home with a hop and a skip when he saw an ant. The ant looked hungry. Rajat was eating an orange. He put a piece of orange in front of the ant. The ant picked up the piece and carried it away. This gave Rajat an idea. He thought of all the animals that went hungry every day. Then he thought of all the scraps of food that were left over at his house after a meal. The greens could feed an ox or a goat. The rice could feed a dog. The curds could feed a cat. He hurried home to tell Ajji about his idea. Children, did you notice the words a, an, and the? These words are called articles. So we have 3 articles, a, an, and the. When and how do we use each one? Can you figure out from the passage? No? No problem. Don't worry. Today we are going to learn this. When and how to use the article a and an. And the we will learn in the next session. Okay, tell me children. Do you remember the English alphabet? जो आपने बचपन में पढ़े हैं A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Do you remember the English alphabet A, B, C, D? Yes. Okay. Then tell me how many letters are there in English alphabet? Wow, great. Very good answer. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay, now do you know out of these 26 letters which are vowels and consonants? Okay, let me tell you. A, E, I, O and U. These 5 letters in English alphabets are vowels and the rest of the letters in English alphabet are called consonants. A, E, I, O, U vowels हैं और इसके अलावा जो भी अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं वो सारे कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैं. ओके, बट along with this knowledge, the sound of vowels and consonant is also very important. When we have to use a or an, we should be very particular about the sound of vowels and consonants. Okay, then let's revise the sound of these vowels a, e, I, o, u. Right? So a gives you the sound of a, apple. E gives you the sound of a, elephant. I gives you the sound of igloo, and also used in ice cream. O gives you the sound of orange, and U gives you the sound of a, umbrella. Right? So when we want to express a singular noun and that starts with a vowel sound, we put an before it. तो जब भी हम किसी सिंगुलर नेमिंग वर्ड, सिंगुलर नाउन की बात करते हैं और वो वॉवल साउंड से स्टार्ट होता है तो हम एन लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एन एम्बुलेंस, एन आइसक्रीम, एन अम्ब्रेला, an owl, and an elephant. So now, is it clear to everyone? Where do we use an? Very good. Now, let's start with article a. We use a before any singular naming word that begins with a consonant sound. सारे सिंगुलर नेमिंग वर्ड्स जो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से बिगिन होते हैं उनके आगे हम अ लगाते हैं. ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ हाउस, अ बोट, अ स्कूल, अ स्टूडेंट, अ हॉलीडे, अ वीक, एंड सो ऑन. सो वी यूज आर्टिकल ए एंड एन बिफोर all singular and countable nouns. Countable nouns means which we can count, and singular means which expresses one. Alright? And second thing, it is a sound that letter makes that decides whether we use a or an. Sound decide करता है first letter का कि हमें ए यूज़ करना है या एन यूज़ करना है. अगर वॉवल साउंड है तो हम एन यूज़ करेंगे और अगर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है तो हम अ यूज़ करेंगे. समटाइम्स इट हैपन्स द वर्ड इज बिगिनिंग विद अ वॉवल बट इट इज़ नॉट गिविंग अ वॉवल साउंड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी से अ यूनिफॉर्म. यूनिफॉर्म is beginning with a vowel but it is not giving a vowel sound. Uniform, y is giving the sound of y and y is a consonant. We also say a university and a 1 rupee note. University again begins with a vowel but it is giving the sound of y and y is a consonant. 1 rupee note, 1. It is also beginning with a vowel o but giving the sound of w. So we use a before it. Although they begin with a vowel but they don't have a vowel sound. ये vowel से तो begin हो रहे हैं पर इनके vowel sound नहीं आ रहा है. So we will use o with it because they are giving the consonant sound. Alright? And here are some words that starts with a consonant but makes a vowel sound. So these words are exceptions. Alright? In the word hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 घंटा, 2 घंटा, so the spelling is H-O-U-R. H is a consonant. But here, when we pronounce it, H is silent. And we say hour. O-U-R. The sound of O is coming. And O is a vowel. H is silent here. When we speak, it gives a vowel sound. The sound of O is coming. So we always say an R. In the same way, honest. H-O-N-E-S-T. Honest. H is silent. And the sound of O is coming. So we put an before it. Right? Okay. So once again, keep it in mind as this is very important. A or an, both are only used for the countable nouns to express one. We don't use them for uncountable nouns. हम a और an का यूज़ सिर्फ countable singular nouns के लिए करते हैं. Uncountable nouns के लिए हम a और an का यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. We never say a water, a rice, a air because all these are uncountable nouns. Clear? I hope the topic is clear to you all. While doing articles a and an, keep these things in mind. The noun should be singular countable noun and the sound of vowels and consonants. आपको ये दो बातें ध्यान में ज़रूर रखनी हैं कि नाउन जो है वो सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन होना चाहिए और जो भी नाउन है उसमें वॉवल का साउंड आ रहा है या कॉन्सोनेंट्स का साउंड आ रहा है. राइट? ओके. नाउ द टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. इट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे एंड नाउ it's time for home assignment. You have to do Let's Try 6 and My Turn 3. Let's Try 6 in course book and My Turn 3 in practice book. And do your work very neatly and practice it again and again. Read page number 31 and 32 very carefully and then do the home assignment. Okay? Try to do your work yourself and be independent. Alright, students? It's all for today. Keep practicing. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.